Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Necee and I am an adult colorist who loves to color in adult coloring books. And if you are returning, welcome back. You guys know who I am and you know what I do. So we are finally getting to the home stretch of this coloring page. Thank goodness. I really enjoyed it, but I'm so happy to almost be done. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, we will be completing the wall with pastels. Now, you may wonder, why are you using pastels with the walls? Because I will absolutely go crazy trying to cover all of this space of the wall with a pencil, colored pencil. I won't be able to do it. No. So I use pastels. That's my quick trick to covering large spaces in adult coloring books. So I've already did the walls here on this side. And the key is you want to have everything for the most part colored. Like I couldn't do the walls on this side until I got all of this bookshelf, everything on this side colored, and the picture, because if it doesn't have some type of pigment on it, wax pigment, it will, like, the color, the pastel color will stay down. So I wanted this to stay pretty much white, so I colored this area with my white colored pencil. The border, the wainscoting, and I went ahead and finished my curtain and all that good stuff right there. So I will be doing the other side of this wall and completing my ceiling up. So what I will be using, and I use the pastels for this carpet because it's a large space too. So I use my Prismacolor new pastels for the carpet. Now what I will be using on the wall, because I only have the small teeny tiny 12 set of the Prismacolor new pastels, I knew what color I wanted the wall. So I bust these puppies open. I had never used these. These are the Mungyo Pastels, the 64 colors. And look at all these beautiful colors here. Isn't that beautiful? Wide variety of colors. So I knew I wanted my walls to be like this color here. So that's the color that I will be using. Okay, so all you have to do is, it's super quick, super duper easy. Color pencil could not achieve what you're about to achieve with doing it this way. So I get my pastel, I get my knife, and all you have to do is just scrape your color onto your page. Scrape, scrape, scrape very lightly. And it's okay if it gets on different parts of your colored picture or colored parts that are already colored. It's okay because that wax in the color pencil will protect, for the most part, it will protect against that pigment messing up, stuff on the other part of a picture that you colored already. So then you just get your cotton round or your cotton ball and just start rubbing it in. And for the most part, I like using like small circles and really scrubbing it in there. And kind of lift your paper up. Now, where is my sheet protector? Oh, there it is. I need to get my sheet protector because it's kind of going on my other pages and I don't want that. So just scrubby, scrubby, scrub it on in. Kind of move that pigment around. And you can barely see that, but that's really what I wanted. I wanted, let's see if this will help. I want it for my walls to be a very light yellow or like a tan color. Oh, I hope those lines don't show. They didn't show too bad. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is take my pastel pencil and do a little shading because I want a little shadow. So I have a Carbothello, Stabilo Carbothello, brown number 625, and I just want a little shadow to come off the edge of this bookshelf right here. And I want a little shadow to be under my frame. And on the side here, very light-handed with these pastel pencils. That's it. Perfect. Now I want, let's see. I want my ceiling to stay white. So I probably should use my white color pencil, but let's see what will happen if I use this pastel, this soft pastel. Oh, nothing will happen. Absolutely nothing. Doesn't look any different. Okay. Yes, I think I want my ceiling to be white. All right. How easy was that, guys? I think I want a little more shadow here. Just a little more. And a little more here. Perfect. That's it. That's it. Done, 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 done. So that's how I use pastels in my adult coloring books, and super easy, right? So I will insert a picture of the completed page at the end so that you guys can finally see the end result of this picture, okay? So thanks so much for tuning in, and as always, happy coloring. Bye.